Hello my lovely, welcome back to my kitchen. It's Owisua here and it is always a pleasure to have you on this channel. So today I'm sharing with you how I make this super delicious pound cake, baked with an oven and without an oven. You would love the recipe, so come along and let's make this. As perfectly described on the packaging, it is the secret to a fluffy and lighter cake. This batter, I just love it. If you find it in the shop, please go ahead and give it a go. If you're in Ghana, you can also use blue band to do this. So normally I would have used half of it, which is exactly 250 grams, but my sister was coming around, so I decided to double up the recipe. For your total convenience, I'm going to leave half the recipe in the description box. Now my lovely, I have emptied all the content into a bowl and I've gone ahead to use the hand whisker to mash it up. Next, I will add some sugar, and here is a tip. You want to use your machine without any power and quickly mix it up to reduce splashing, and then go ahead and mix it as well until it is quite fluffy and has changed color. So this is how it looks when it is ready. Exactly. Yes, so my lovely, at this stage I have already cracked my eggs on the standby, and remember we are doubling the recipe here. I will pour half of it in first, mix it up, and then add the remaining as well. So you want to give it a good mix until everything is well incorporated, and then we'll add our next ingredient, which is a combination of both wet and dry milk. So I go ahead and add my milk powder. I'm using Nido, and on top of that I'm going to be pouring some evaporated milk as well. These two, it makes this cake so delicious, and it comes out with a perfect texture as well. And then mix everything together to achieve a beautiful cake batter just like this. Next we'll be adding our flour, and I'm going to go ahead and sift it. It contributes to making the inside so fluffy and light at the same time. On top of that, I'm going to be adding my baking powder, and then I'll sift everything together. Hello, this is Owisua's Kitchen. You are so very much welcome. Please feel free to subscribe and enable your bell icon to receive all future uploads. I will now combine everything with a spatula first because it is easier, and then I'll go ahead and use my manual hand whisking tool to mix everything together and mash it slightly just like so, so we achieve a nice smooth beautiful cake batter just like you see on the screen. And my lovely, I'm going to be dividing this into two because remember we are making two portions, and with that I'm going to be adding some pineapple flavor together with banana, creating an exciting new flavor with this cake. I'll quickly mix this together, and for the other one I'll be going for good old vanilla essence. As you already know, you cannot go wrong with vanilla flavor, and I'll mix this together as well. To prep my cake tin, I have buttered it, and I'm going to go ahead and use some flour to cover the surface area as well. And I also find it useful to cut a small piece of baking sheet and line it up at the bottom. With this now ready, we'll go ahead and pour our cake mixture onto our cake tin. And then we'll be baking this in two ways, one with oven and the other one without oven. But before that, let's shake it up, flatten it up, and make it beautiful. You can go ahead and use your spatula to level it up as well. This is now ready, and I'll use my spatula dipped in water and make a beautiful line in the middle. Yes, so you want to have a saucepan and place something at the bottom and then put your cake inside just like this. Cover it up, and this is the one in the oven. Soon it will begin to change color, and now look how beautiful golden this cake is. This is the one baked in the oven. It looks delicious as well. Stick comes out clean, you know your cake is done. Let's now have a look at the inside. Yes, look at this authentic, beautiful, delicious cake. Take a look at this amazing result. It is moist, it isn't dense at all, just perfect. I hope you did love this recipe. Please go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, share if you can, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye bye.